mean problem number 2. We have a different set of data this time. We have 4.5, 3.2, 7.8, 5.9, and 2.6. Now we do the same steps that we did as the last example with decimals. It's the same process. So step 1, we're going to add up all the numbers. Now when we add up decimals, remember you need to line up your decimal points. So I'm going to add the first 3 numbers, and then I'll add the second 2, and then I'll add those 2 sums together. So first we're going to do 4.5, 3.2, and then 7.8. So 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 8 is going to give us 15. So I'm going to carry the 1, bring down my decimal. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 3 is 8, and then 8 plus 7 gives us 15. So 15.5. So now I have to add 5.9 and 2.6. 9 plus 6 gives us 15. Carry my 1, bring down my decimal. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 2, 8. So now from here, I'm going to take these 2 sums, 15.5 and 8.5, and add them together. So 15.5 and 8.5. So 5 plus 5 gives us 10. Bring down my decimal. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. Carry our 1. 1 plus 1 gives us 2. So we get 24 as our sum. Now we're going to go ahead and move on to step 2. Step 2 is count up how many numbers are in the set of data. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 numbers in our set of data. Now we're going to move on to step 3. So we're going to divide the sum by how many numbers there are. So we're going to take what we got in step 1, which was 24, and divide what we got in step 2, which was 5. So we're going to take 24 and divide it by 5. So we're going to have to do long division with this one because 5 doesn't go into 24 evenly. So 24 is going to go inside the house, and 5 will go on the outside. Now 5 doesn't go into 2, so we're going to move on to 24. 5 goes into 24 4 times. 4 times 5 is 20. And then 20 minus 24 is 4. Now I don't have any other numbers to bring down, so I'm going to add a decimal and annex the 0. I'm going to bring my decimal point right up in my answer so I don't forget about it. And now I'll bring down my 0. 5 goes into 40 8 times. 8 times 5 is 40. And then we subtract and get 0. So with this problem, our mean is 4.8.